as long as Littlefoot. Oversensitive and then we blame it on political correctness. That shit got me pessimistic. Why we try to please them all and ask for acceptance? We all a little off in exception. Eli, quit acting like a BI and get to stepping like Eli. Stop pirates bad, why police have all the cannons there? Cops these days got us looking like Afghanistan. Confiscated weapons who we call it for this robbery. If you think about the action Connery. Honestly, these days killing gets so fucking publicized. First you fry the young goodbyes and then it got like T.I. R.I.P. Then we on to the next. After death, the checking over dinner argument. Presidents don't heaven sent, but blame for your cop-outs. Fuck cops out, guess I'll play a game of knockout. Passion out, blasted, decaffeine. Bunch of backstabbing while we run rampant.
That's what we become. That's what we become. Choke till plumb. Wonder what's so sucking dumb.
No compassion, out blasted, decaffeine. Bunch of backstabbing while we run rampant.
That's what we become. That's what we become. Choke till plumb. Wonder what's so sucking dumb.
We full of clutter, we purging one of another. Acting kinda childish, like Donald Glover. Ain't made of rubber, but use a rubber to solve the problem one day. Hold the ball like a child without a bottle right now. Between a rock and a hard place. Protect the corners, who tryna be a hard case. Drugs make the heart race, but what a race without a finish. War diminish, we start extinguishing, not applaud.
Do you enjoy?
Like an amen. Keep bombing Saddam and a lot of comment. Arrest us for the bombland. Come on, man. But it's legal in Washington. What the fuck? Probably hanging plaques, smoking a zigzag of the pack. With a laugh, shipping your mask for Colorado tax. After